Number 12. If cosine theta is 7 over 25 and tangent theta is less than 0, what is the value of cosecant theta? All right, just as a review, we had the song psi y, cos x, tangent is y over x. So cosine is x. That means this is our x, and this is our h in this problem. It says tangent is less than 0. We'll get to that in a moment. What is the value of Csc? Now, Csc, according to the formula chart, is the reciprocal of sine. Here it is. Csc theta is 1 over sine. So it's just sine values flipped around. Now, sine is psi y, which means this is going to be equal to h over y. Now, here's what we already know. We know that h is 25. What we don't know is what y is. Now, remember, there's a relationship that x squared plus y squared equals our hypotenuse squared. It's the Pythagorean Theorem. So if I plug 7 in for x, and if I take 25 and plug that in for h, I should be able to solve this really quickly for y. 7 squared is 49, and 25 squared is 625. When I subtract 49, I should get 576 here. So y squared equals 576, or we could say that y equals plus or minus the square root of 576, which is, when we go to the calculator, square root of 576, 576, there we go, is 24. So y is going to be plus or minus 24. Now, how do we determine if it's positive or negative? Well, now this is where we use this tangent piece of information. This is saying that tangent is less than 0. And according to our little saying, all students take calculus, we know that tangent is positive in the third quadrant and also in the first quadrant in all. So it's got to be in one of these two. This cosine is positive, which means the x is positive 7. So we're 7 units this way, which means this is also impossible. So our value must be somewhere out in here. If that's 7, this would be a 25. And so now we know this is 24 this way. What does that tell us about Csc? It's negative 24 because it's going down. So we're going to use negative 24 here. So we're looking for 25 over negative 24. It looks like the answer is